I'd like to talk to you about Pop On Veneers. I ordered me a set about a month and a half ago. They came in the mail in their own little case. Look at that, with the mirror. Very nice. Due to medication that I took for about 10 or 15 years, my teeth, as you can see, were just awful. They would just crumble away, just deteriorate right in front of me. It was awful. My dentist, I did order partials. I had a metal pair before this pair, torture in my mouth, and these were a little bit better, but still very uncomfortable. So I ordered Pop On Veneers, and let me tell you, they have been a game changer. Let's get these in. See? Got my smile back. I love it. I recommend these to anybody who has missing teeth or crooked teeth. I do have crooked teeth on the bottom. It's great.